Hi, I'm Brad Wilson with King Electrical Manufacturing. Whether you're remodeling a room, converting a garage, or just need extra warmth in a chilly space, adding electric heat shouldn't mean you need to tear into walls or run all new wires. That's why we're excited to introduce the Thermalink KRF-HEAT-KIT, a smarter, cleaner, wireless way to add electric resistance heat. The KRF-HEAT-KIT is a 24-volt wireless RF thermostat platform that simplifies how you control electric baseboard or fan-driven heaters without running new control wires between the thermostat and the heater. This means no drywall damage or patching and no rewiring, just fast modern heating. The system consists of two core components. A wireless RF thermostat. This is your main control center. It communicates wirelessly with the electric heaters and is fully programmable with a 7-day heating schedule. It's a battery-powered out-of-the-box solution, but it also supports 24-volt hardwire installations to eliminate battery maintenance and mounts anywhere in the room for optimal temperature sensing. The 20-amp heat relay module. Now this fits a standard electrical junction box above or near the heater and connects directly to your electric heater. It receives signals from the thermostat and is 20-amp rated for up to 4,800 watts at 240 volt or 2,400 watts at 120 volt. But why go wireless? Thermalink uses RF wireless communication so you can place the thermostat anywhere in the room. No rewiring required. This flexibility eliminates cold spots and simplifies upgrades without tearing into walls. Perfect for remodels, retrofits, or missing wires, Thermalink installs quickly and cleanly, cutting down on labor, materials, and mess. You get faster installation, flexible thermostat placement, and zone control, so you only heat the spaces you need. For added flexibility, the system supports optional wireless RF sensors for customizing control and further energy savings. There's an occupancy sensor that automatically sets back the temperature when the room is unoccupied. This window door sensor detects when a window or door is open and adjusts the heat accordingly. There is even a master setback switch. One flip of this switch and all the thermostats go into setback mode. Now that's smart. There are three main ways to control the system. You can program a 7-day heating schedule, simply set your weekly heating routine, and Thermalink maintains your set points automatically. Set the system up for occupancy-based control. With the optional occupancy sensors, the system adjusts the set point based on the room usage, ensuring no energy is wasted, or simply make manual adjustments and override anytime for personal comfort. Plus, each relay operates independently, allowing you to create custom heat zones throughout a home or building, all from a single thermostat. Whether you're fixing a broken wire, upgrading your system, or simply looking for a faster, smarter way to add electric heat, Thermalink KRF-HEAT-KIT is the answer. Wireless, programmable, energy efficient, and simple to install. Take control of your comfort without the mess. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more updates from King Electric.